Here at the university, we're taking a risk-based approach to preparing for coming back in September. At the moment, we are risk assessing our buildings and campus to put measures in place to make it as safe as possible for return. We currently put in sanitizer stations and refill stations. We put in social distancing measures, and we're making sure that we have as much guidance and information available for staff as well as students to ensure a safe return.
During COVID-19, the cleaning team have been keeping the campus safe for students and for staff who are on site. We've upped the schedule of the cleaning, and we've also increased our attention to detail on high touch point areas. So you're looking at things we wouldn't normally think of, like the lift buttons, but we're in every single building making sure that if somebody's going to touch it, we've disinfected it.
The tech services team have been working all through COVID, ensuring the buildings are compliant for everybody to come back to. That's in terms of the mechanical, heating, ventilation, electrics, water hygiene.
The main role across lockdown of the first responder team was primarily to support students, staff and visitors, and to ensure that the university was in a good, safe place when it was time to reopen. The way that we were supporting the students is to ensure that they felt safe, they felt comfortable, they had their provisions when necessary, go back and forth with food deliveries. While we were doing that, we'd also welfare check on the student as well to make sure that they were comfortable and they had everything they needed.
To enable students to return in September, what the first responders will be doing is ensuring that signage is in place, the one-way systems, also the social distancing posters are well displayed, making sure that Safe Zone is fully advertised so that everyone is fully aware of it. And we'll also be working with other departments to ensure that these students can come back safe in the knowledge that they're going to be safe and looked after.
When Royal Mail deliver the mail in first thing every morning, we take collection of that mail. We sanitize everything as it's taken in, and as the Royal Mail leave, we also sanitize any touch points that they've contacted with as they come in. It's all done with people's safety in mind.
So a couple of the things that we've been doing to make the university grounds a welcoming place again is doing things like clearing low branches and pathways and cut the grass verges back, open the areas up so they're easily accessible for people to enjoy and walk around.
We'll be working with the colleges and the learning and teaching facilities to make sure that risk assessments are carried out to identify any additional controls that are required. We'll also be providing training to all of our staff to give them information on how they can support you when you return to campus.
There's a massive project going on so that every building will have a hand sanitizer gel at the entrance. We'll be supplying sanitation wipes, we'll be supplying gels. So there's quite a lot that's going to be going on in the background before we actually allow the students on campus.
We've implemented screens on multiple reception areas, obviously try and keep as many people safe as we possibly can. To be honest with you, I'm very proud of the team and how everybody has worked together to deliver that.
I think what I enjoy most about the job is being able to directly alter your surroundings for everybody to enjoy. And it's even more rewarding when you get it right and everybody enjoys it and everybody likes it.
I love the university. It's young, vibrant. Every day is a challenge. There's something different happening every day.
I feel privileged to come into Swansea University and work with a variety of different people, both students and staff, from a variety of different backgrounds. Okay, I'm a bit of a chatterbox, so I like chatting. So if ever you see myself or any of the first responder team around, I would like to have a chat with you, and I hope to see you in the future.
One of the things that I'm very, very proud of is that the team was able to adapt, adjust and overcome to the challenges of lockdown, and the amount of sympathy, empathy and professionalism that they showed during that time was absolutely extraordinary.
As a team, we've worked really well together, and we've worked with our colleagues across the university to make sure that everything is in place to keep everybody as safe as possible. That is the most rewarding part of our job, because people are the most important thing and an asset to this university. So protecting our community has been really, really important to us, and it's been the most rewarding part in the last few months.